Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm creating this amazing beautiful Diwali makeup look using drugstore products. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So now let's get into the video. So I'm going to be starting by putting all my hair in the back, and for primer I'm going to be using this pack pore primer today. So this is for open pores and I have open pores near my cheeks, a little bit on my chin. So I'm going to be concentrating the primer only on those problematic areas. So this gives a blurry and smooth finish to the skin and you get very good results towards the end. Next, we are going to be color correcting our face. So for that, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. So orange conceals pigmentation in the skin. So make sure that you use very little amount of this product because you don't want to end up having an orange looked foundation in the end. So take very little and blend it very seamlessly to get a perfect look. Now moving on to foundation, the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Nyx Skin Genius foundation. This is a beautiful foundation from the drugstore range. It has very medium coverage, it is not too cakey or it is also not super light on the skin. You can definitely build it up if you want to. So if you're looking for a good drugstore product, then I would highly recommend this. This also comes with a decent number of shade ranges also. So I'm dotting the foundation all over my face and then I'm going to be blending it with the buffing brush from Real Techniques. I have mentioned all the products and the shade names in the description box below. Please don't forget to check it out if you want to refer to any of the products, and I will also attach links to it. So if you want to get anything, you can definitely check the links below. So the next product that we are going to be applying is the concealer. So I'm going to be using the concealer mainly on the areas where I have used the corrector and also on the areas where I wanted to highlight a little bit. So I'm taking it under my eyes and also a little around my mouth. Now to set the concealer in place, I'm going to be applying loose powder today, and I'm taking excess amount of this pack loose powder and I'm taking it on a fluffy brush and applying excess product under my eyes and also on all the areas where I have applied little concealer and also on the areas where I want to highlight a little. Now let's get into the eye makeup. So for that I'm using the same concealer which we have already used and I'm applying it on my eyelids and blending it with the same concealer brush. So it is very important that you use some product that helps the eyeshadow stick onto your eyelids, and that way it will last much longer, or else your eyeshadow pigments will fall out as time passes on. Now using the NYX Lid Lingere palette and taking this brown shade, I'm going to be applying this color all over my crease. So using the same palette and the darker deep brown shade, I'm going to be applying it on my outer corners with the fluffy brush. So this gives the illusion of having a deeper and bigger eyes. So that is why you take a darker color and apply it on the outer end of your eyes. So this palette only has a matte shade, so I'm going for this NYX Cosmic Metal palettes to take some shimmery shades, and I'm using this purple shade and I'm applying the pigment on my eyelids using my fingers because sometimes fingers works much better in taking the pigments rather than the brush. So that's why I'm using my finger to put the pigments on my eyelid. Now I'm taking this lighter pigment shade from the same palette and I'm applying it only on the center of my eyelids. So this way when light reflects on your eyes gives an illusion of having a bigger eyelid. Next we are moving on to Kajal, and for Kajal I'm using this plum Kajal today. So this is a very good Kajal if you are looking for some smudge free Kajal. The only downside I feel is like it is not retractable and you have to use a sharpener to sharpen it every time. Other than that, this is such an amazing Kajal. So now I'm also smudging the Kajal to make the look softer. Now using the same powder brush that I used to apply it, I'm going to be dusting off all the excess product and all the fallouts from the eyeshadow. Next for contour, I'm using this contour from the Balm Cosmetics and I'm contouring on the sides of my cheeks, my forehead and a little on my jawline. You can completely skip this step if you're not comfortable with contouring and it's perfectly fine. Now to bring in that festive glow, I'm going to be using this blush from Milani, which is a peachy corally shimmer blush, and it looks so beautiful on Indian skin tone, and I'm applying it with the blush brush. Now I'm using another highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm using this fan brush from PAC to apply the highlighter on the high points of my face. This is also a completely optional step, and you can skip it if you don't want to. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara today from L'Oreal. So this is a very good mascara to lengthen and also have volume in your lashes. It did not make my lashes clumpy at all. So since I'm going to be skipping lashes and also eyeliner, I thought I would give a good coat of mascara to complete the look. And for eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the darker brown shade from the same matte palette that we used initially, and using an angular brush, I'm just going to be taking some color on the brush and filling in my eyebrows on the direction of my hair growth. And today I'm going to be completing this look with a red lipstick. You can definitely go with whatever lipstick you are comfortable with, and every shade works amazing for this look. So make sure that you choose based on your outfit. Also, now to make my lips a little fuller, I'm also using a brownish nude lipstick only on the center of my lips to make it a lot more plumper and also appear bigger. I would like to keep the jewelry very minimal, so I'm just adding one earring, and I have also applied a bindi. So that's it for the look, you guys. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Happy Diwali, you guys, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.